So looking towards the next coming days, it is going to be remaining on the hot and humid side. Nothing overly oppressive, but it's certainly going to be noticeable out there, especially for the first half of the week. And we do have daily chances for pop-up thunderstorms, very isolated in nature for the first half of the week, but we will be increasing the rain chances going towards the end of the week, towards Thursday and Friday. That's also when we are going to be seeing a slight cool down in the forecast as well. It's warm out there tonight. We've got temperatures in the upper 70s, a couple of lower 80s in the mix. We got an 81-degree reading right there in Easton, and we got 78 degrees with Chuckey and Lewis this evening. It's a little less humid towards the mid and upper shore and very humid towards the coastline and for areas like Salisbury and Georgetown, where dew points are well into the 70s. That's mainly because we got a stalled frontal battery in place. So towards the north and west of that, it's less humid. And towards the south and east of that frontal battery, it is more humid. This frontal battery will move northward just a little bit tomorrow. So all of us are going to be back into the humid conditions. And that frontal battery will be the focus for isolated thunderstorms over the next few days. So here is Beryl right now. It is currently a tropical storm, but very close to category 1 status for a hurricane. You have to get to 74-mile-per-hour winds for that status, and that's likely going to be the case once it makes landfall tonight. Heavy rain, life-threatening flooding, storm surge, and damaging winds all on the table for Texas tonight, so we'll be thinking about the folks down there. For us, the remnant moisture will be moving towards the Great Lakes region later on this week. So the heaviest rain is going to stay towards north by then, but what's going to happen is it's still going to increase our chances for showers and storms. We already have a tropical air mass in place from moist flow off the Atlantic, and what's going to happen is that the trailing front from this remnant low pressure system will converge with the moisture of the Atlantic. So what's going to happen is that our chances for storms and showers will be on the increase going into Thursday and Friday as well, which is good news because we do need the rainfall. So that's something that we are going to be watching over the coming days. In terms of the near term, the rain chances are only going to be isolated in nature in the form of showers and thunderstorms. Some of these storms will be capable of locally heavy downpours. So if you do get caught into one of those storms, again, heavy rain will be a concern, but most of us are going to be on the dry side. The same thing with Tuesday. We start off the day dry, but then during the afternoon, we will run into the risk of an isolated downpour or thunderstorm under a partially sunny sky. Rinse and repeat for Wednesday as well. Tonight, 71 to 76 degrees. We'll have to watch for some patchy fog as well. It's not as warm as the previous nights, but still muggy out there. Tomorrow, 90 to 95 degrees with the chance for an isolated pop-up thunderstorm during the afternoon. And that also remains the case for Tuesday and Wednesday as well. But by the time we get to Thursday, the chances for showers and storms will be on the increase. And same thing for Friday, temperatures slightly cooler. Deja?